All right, everybody, we're back with another review of another NextBase product. This time it's the G22, and I believe this carrying case, but we're going to find out if this carrying case fits, because I don't know, or right after this. Okay, we're going to do an unboxing, and honestly, I don't really anticipate anything really different from, say, the unboxing that I did of the 122, and you can check out that review if you like. In fact, this camera that I'm just going to look at seems almost indistinguishable from the 122. But then again, if I probably put them side by side, I'm sure I'd probably see some difference. Who knows? Maybe I'll do that later. But for now, this is the camera you're getting. It's a dash cam, like I explained in the last review. And let's see what kind of accessories it comes with. Alright, if it's anything like the other one, it looks like the mounting system is pretty much the same. It looks like we got this particular thing, and I'm just going to do the hookup just to make sure like everything seems to be fitting differently. I think this kind of came in like this last time. I can't remember if the connecting ports were in the same place or not. Okay. I think I know what this is. This is the same USB cable that the other one came in. I'm just going to assume that's what that is. I don't think I really need to try that out. So you can plug this in, and then you have to mount this thing, which is pretty simple because this has this particular thing on it. And I've already kind of gone into detail about this, but in case you don't want to see this, or in case you don't want to watch the one for the this thing just kind of snaps right in there, and I mean snaps. It goes in there very... Cats, how do you even get this out? Okay, I gotta figure out how to get this out, because is there like a button or something? The last one just kind of... Alright, hang on a second. Okay, that was an unexpected complication, but it does lock in there, and then you kind of have to push it in just to tear it out. And I didn't want to force it, because I've done that before with gadgets where just something wasn't coming out, and then I forced it. Then I forced it too much, and then I broke it, and I don't want to break something like this, because honestly, I don't think I've ever done a review where I've broken a product before, and if so, would I even publish it? I don't know. Anyway, it's got the slot in here for the SD card. No surprise there. Very much definitely supposed to be an upgrade of the 122, and from what I can see, that looks like an upgrade. I don't remember having to force that thing out as much as I had to do that for the 122, but I could be wrong. Let's check out this carry case. I'm kind of curious about this myself here. If it's what I think it is, I'm guessing that, here's the thing. If you have one of these in your car, a thief might want it, and might be, so in other words, the thing that you might be using to deter thieves might actually attract them to your car. Now, I'm not saying that's something that these dash cams are really designed to do or stuff like that. If a thief sees that there's probably one of these, then it's probably already got him on tape or on the SD card that you can check out later, and can be used as evidence later in case you have a break-in. If they take the camera, though, that could be a problem. So maybe, actually, you know what? Shoot, wouldn't this come in handy when you... I guess I'm just trying to see when you would even need a case like this. Because here's the thing, if you want to keep this dash cam in your car while it's parked, then you wouldn't need the carry case, right? I don't know. I'm going to have to check this out. So, alright, I guess it's designed to keep protected but not in use. Okay, let's just try and fit it in there. So, hang on. Okay. Didn't have the Velcro on, but that fits in there. So I'm guessing this goes with this. It's specifically marked Series 2 dash cam, so I just assumed it meant the 222. Okay, so we know that it fits in here, so that's good news. The thing is, though, you definitely need to see the footage on this before you decide to buy it, and so I better get you some footage on that, and I think we'll just cut to it right here. Okay, so if you watch my review of the 122, I show how it mounts. It just kind of sticks up there in the, the windshield. And I got some footage from it that I'm just going to show right here.
my. What is it? That's a limo?
I guess.
Sort of is.
Sort of a stretch thing here. I'm gonna get a. There we go. That is interesting. Again, there isn't really much in this review that is different from my review of the 122. You can watch that if you haven't. But I probably already mentioned it already. So yeah, I hope you liked that footage. I thought it was decent, and I haven't really done a side-by-side comparison between the 122 footage and 222 footage. But this is a bit of an upgrade from the 122. Well, obviously, I mean, it's called the 222. You'd think that would be something. But yeah, you saw it right there. You can check it out for yourself and decide if this is the NextBase camera for you, or maybe you want to go a different direction. Hey, it's up to you. I mean, dash cams are, I mean, there's many types of them, and I reviewed several different types of them already on my website, and hey, you can do a search for just DashCam on the TheGeekChurch website if you want to see more on that. Speaking of more you want to see, I'm probably going to put more on the article about this, as well as the 122. I'm not sure if I mentioned that in that review, but it's just a good thing for getting details. These videos are really all about what you can see. On the article, I really go into detail about what the actual specs are, and there is a lot to basically see in these things, so yeah. Anyway, check it out for yourself, but I better make sure I leave you with the price. I just checked the NextBase site. You can find one of these for about $99.99. Pretty decent deal for an upgrade of the 122, which was $79.99. So hey, it's up to you if that's kind of the venture that you want to go into. Anyway, this has been Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing. Hang on. Okay, I got a little ahead of myself. Technically, I am signing off, but we got another review of a NextBase product with the 322. Don't forget that. So this is another trilogy that we're doing. I just love them trilogies. Okay, but for now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I'm signing off. For real this time.